Hi guys, today we are discussing about the mass spectrometer. As we know, size of the atom is so small and it's difficult to measure the mass of atoms and their isotopes. Now we can measure the masses of atoms and their isotopes by using the mass spectrometer. Mass spectrometer is a technique which is used to measure the mass to charge ratio of ions. And mass spectrometer is an instrument used to measure the exact masses of different isotopes of elements. Mass spectrometers contain the 9 parts which are mentioned in the diagram. First one is inlet, heated filament, and electrobeam, column grid, accelerator, magnetic electrometer, detector, display. These different parts play the different functions mentioned on the next page. So first one is inlet. Neon gas is used to insert the sample in the spectrometer. We can only use the inert gas because it does not mix or react with the sample. So we can only use the inert gases like neon or helium. So next part is heated filament. Sample is volatilized by the heater. Electrobeam volatilized sample is ionized by the electron beam, and we use the column. Column is a negative grade used to separate the ions on the basis of polarity. Negative charges and positive charge are separated on the basis of polarity. Accelerator is used to separate the positive ions and throw it in the magnetic field. Magnetic analyzer is used to apply the magnetic field to spread the positive ions on the basis of charge by Z value. Electrometer used to collect the ions and produce the current. Detector amplifies that current on the basis of isotopes and M by Z values. Different current detected by the detector, and computer plot a graph of developed current by the detector. So suppose we run the water as a sample. Following graph is drawn by the spectrometer. Its x values represent the mass to charge value of fragmentation of the water. There are three peaks. First one is mass of water 18 and 17, and then 16, which is oxygen. So its y-axis show the relative abundance of isotopes of atoms. Thank you for watching and subscribe our channels for more videos.